blockchain domains, how to make money with blockchain domains. So those who make the most money in a field are always trend followers and can distinguish between trends and fads. And when they identify a trend, this is going to be the next big thing. They exploit it to get the most ROI before others get in the field. So, for example, just in the last few years, people have got into podcasting first and were most successful at it. The top people have made tens of millions of dollars. Google AdSense, Facebook ads. Eventually, there's a saying that marketers ruin everything, but before they ruin it, and they don't completely ruin it, because even email, you can still make a lot of money, even though some people feel that was ruined. It's extremely, extremely lucrative. I mean, Gary Vaynerchuk talks about buying prime keywords on Google AdSense for 5 cents that now cost many dollars each. So the key is to understand what's going to be a trend and not a fad, and then master the technology so that you get the prime real estate. So there's so many examples, I won't even go through them all, but one of them is in the area of domains. If you bought a 1 or 2, even 3-letter popular domain when they first came out, you could have got them probably for pennies, or at least a few dollars, and then sold them for millions of dollars if you held on to them for a few years. So as the world is moving to blockchain, like for example, there's many innovative companies, but one is Definity, which is helping to do the internet computer. So it's real complicated to discuss, but most simply, you'll have the Facebook on the blockchain, you'll have Uber on the blockchain. Either they'll be the same companies that are there now, or there'll be companies that are similar to them. And all internet websites eventually are going to have to migrate to the blockchain, a lot of people feel, and there's a variety of reasons for that. So if all the websites are going to be migrating to the blockchain, or even if they don't, there's a lot of other advantages to blockchain domains. Then getting the key domains for the blockchain is probably going to be more lucrative than even getting the key domains from the web was. So knowing how to do that, whether you use Unstoppable Domains, a key new company that came out, or in other ways, there's a fortune to be made there.